Welcome to this episode of Liberty Creek. On this episode, Jennifer's going to make us some fish and chips, okay? Jen is making her own batter for the fish, and I'm going to take you there now and see how it's done.
Hi everybody. Today we're going to make some fish and chips for the first time. I've never done this before. I did look up a recipe and we're going to try it out today. First of all, I put the ingredients out. What we're going to need is a cup of flour, a cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and that's going to give it the fluffy crust. We need 1.5 teaspoons of salt and a 12-ounce beer of choice. This is what we had in the house. If you don't want to use beer, you can use seltzer water. So you would just need 1.5 cups of that. So first I'm going to put in the cornstarch and the flour. So that's 1 cup each of cornstarch and flour. And then I have the 1 teaspoon of baking powder and the 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And then we're going to put the 12 ounces or 1.5 cups of beer into our mix. And then we're going to whisk that up really good. And we're going to throw it in the fridge so it can thicken up. And then what I got for the fish, I got 2 pounds of cod. You can use haddock if you like. I'm going to use cod, and we're going to cut those into about 8 4-ounce chunks. And once this thickens up, we're going to give them a bath in it. And then in the Dutch oven, I'm going to heat up some peanut oil to 375 degrees. And we're going to start frying.
I can smell that beer.
Okay, so we're going to make some French fries to go with our fish and chips tonight. And I like to use Yukon Gold because they are a medium type, not too starchy, like a Idaho potato. They're just perfect for fries. What I do is I just make planks. Well, first I cut the round parts off so it's easy to work with. And then I make planks. Then you cut the planks into fries. Usually I just try to stack 2 together. See? You can run these pretty quickly. And then once they're all cut up, I'm going to put them in some peanut oil. We're going to start the fries in cold peanut oil. Altogether, it usually takes 20 to 22 minutes to cook. We're not cooking them all the way through. We're going to take them out when they're almost done and then put the fish in. And then once the fish is done, we'll throw these back in to warm up. And everything will be hot at the same time. So I'm just going to cut these, throw them in the peanut oil, and we'll come back when they start to boil. So I put a little salt and pepper on both sides of my cod. I cut them into little chunks. And this is the batter I made before. I'm just gonna show you how much thicker it looks now. See? Thickened up good in the fridge. We're gonna just stick our fish in there. Let them go for a swim. some hang out in there. Now remember, that was a cup of flour, a cup of cornstarch, teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon and a half of salt, and 1 12-ounce beer. Or you could do seltzer if you don't like beer.
What do you got to say about all this, little girl?
She's waiting for something to fall. Okay guys, so I just bought this one today, this digital thermometer. It's good, it's just a little short, so when I put it in here, you know, I gotta hold it for a little bit because it doesn't instantly tell me how hot the oil is. I'm trying to get it up to 375. So it's a little tough holding it. So Neil has one of these, what do you call them?
Infrared
infrared guns. And see, that one is a lot quicker telling me the temperature of the,
You gotta press this. Yeah. There you go.
yeah, we're at 270 right now. And the fries are coming to the top. I'm going to be taking those out soon and throwing the fish in when we get the oil up to 375. Actually, those look pretty good.
See, I help. I sometimes do the dishes.
Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to drop this in the oil and you're going to time it for 4 minutes. And then we're going to flip them for another 4 minutes, so 8 minutes total cooking time. They should be golden and cooked all the way through.
Alexa, set a timer for 4 minutes.
Alright, so we're going to take this batch out. It's nice and golden, crunchy. Look at that. We got some more to do.
So you placed it in there for 4 minutes and then you flipped it after 4 minutes, so 8 minutes in total time.
Yes. We're just going to put these back in, get them hot and crisp again. 1 minute. As soon as I get them all in. Take a look at the fish. Came out beautiful.
Well, there you have it, folks. Now, I haven't tasted it yet, but it sure looks good. Now, I do have to say, Jen put a lot of time in making it. It's just not something you could throw together real quick. So, I'll make sure I give an honest review.
Fries are good. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You hear the crunch on that?
Oh, yeah. Those French fries.
You hear the
Oh.
crunch on the fish? The
Oh.
fish is good. Nice.
Oh, let's try your homemade macaroni. Mmm. Delish. Now the moment we've all been waiting for.
yeah, got some. Let me see.
Flaky on the inside. It's so weird.
Oh yeah, this is a keeper right here. Maine poor fish and chips, eat your heart out. This is better. Mmm. You ain't got none, Justice. Good. Good job, Jennifer.
Yeah, good job, Mom. I would eat this again.
Mm-hmm. There's something definitely we gotta do again and again.
That's all I have for you now, folks. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Hit the thumbs up button and hit that notification bell if you want to know when I have some new content available. Please leave some comments. Let me know if this is the type of content that you want more of. Thank you to all my new subscribers. We hit 1,000 subscribers this week. I should be heading up to the cabin soon, and I have a lot more projects to get to work on. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take care.